Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome, biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back. It's me, Kelsi. I know it's been forever. I know. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, then it's just welcome back. If you do not know who I am Kelsi, and I have lost 115 pounds using the tool, the gastric sleeve. It's my hope that through my videos you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. Well, hello, you guys. I am still in the land of the living. If you follow me on any of my social media platforms, I decided to take a little bit of break. I deactivated my Facebook. I deactivated my Instagram. I'm still on Snapchat pretty often. But I really just needed to kind of like withdraw a little bit from the social media scene. Social media can be kind of taxing on my mental health because a lot of times the expectations and the realities that social media can portray can be a little bit, how do you say, heavy weighing, makes you have unrealistic expectations in your life. And sometimes we just need to kind of take a break and withdraw. But I am back. It is May. I don't know when you guys will see this video. I don't know if it'll be, later in May or if it'll be, earlier. I'm not sure. But I have some news. So we are going to Las Vegas at the end of the month. I've never been to Las Vegas. I've never been on a plane. And I'm scared. I plan to vlog the entire thing. I plan to vlog the airplane ride, all of that. I just always struggled with my weight and not being afraid that I wouldn't be able to fit or making someone else uncomfortable that was next to me. So yeah, it is going to be a treat. So as you guys can see from the thumbnail, your girl went shopping. I bought some outfits for Vegas from Shein, and I got some lingerie pieces. So I thought, why not try these on for you guys? It's a great welcome back video, or just another video for the month of May. You guys will have to excuse my talking if I seem a little muffled. I'm not feeling the best. My allergies are really, they're trying to take me down through there. So I'm going to try these on for you. These are all the outfits that I got for Vegas. So they are going to be a little scandalous, a little more scandalous than what I would normally purchase. But yeah, even the lingerie I got so that I could share that with my boo when I'm there. So anyways, I'm going to try these on for you guys. If you're interested in this video, or if you're wondering if Shein is a good place to order from, you'll find out in this video. So without further ado, all right, y'all, welcome back. So this is the first outfit, and you guys are going to see a lot of two pieces in this video because your girl has fallen in love with two pieces. I am just a two-piece queen right now. So we're going to talk about the straps. These straps do have an adjustable little piece on the back, and it is a different fabric than I was expecting. This is almost like a faux silk. It's not what I was expecting, but anyways, let me step back and show you guys what I'm working with. It has sexy splits on both sides. I'm keeping my hand right here because my stomach is out, so I am gonna have to kind of like go and sew it down to about right here because the splits go up so high that my whole stomach will be shown. I'm absolutely in love with it. I love it. I feel like it's gonna be cool enough for the hot Las Vegas weather, and it's sexy enough to be what it is. I'm so excited for this, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to sew it up a little bit. Love the print, love the quality of it. I'll tell you guys what size this was with the next outfit. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, this is the next outfit. I don't necessarily know if this is how this is supposed to go, the top wise. I don't know because I'm still kind of confused. So this particular outfit is the material that I am used to Shein having. I'm gonna have to figure out how this is supposed to be dyed because this ain't it. But so I'm still kind of on the fence. It does have a lot of stretch right here. So it's super stretch right here. It's super stretch right here. So it fits really well. And this is in a size 2X. I'm kind of on the fence. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it, at least until I figure out, you know, how I'm supposed to wear it, because I'm convinced that this can't be it. So maybe later on in the video I'll figure out how to put it on. I don't know. If you hear my microwave beeping, I'm defrosting some hamburger meat. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. All right, so we're on to the third piece. Now, hear me out. I bought this. It is a 2-piece. Number one, it doesn't have the adjustable straps like the other 2-piece did, so it's kind of a big in the tit area. So I bought this as a 2-piece, but I bought it because there's so many pieces in my wardrobe already that I can pair with this, you know. But anyways, let me step back. So, like I said, hear me out. It's really cute by itself, but with the link in the back, one thing about Shein, they give their skirts a lot of length. I have a belly, so I'm always gonna pull my skirt up high. So let me put on this graphic t-shirt with this and show you guys what I was envisioning. Right, so this particular shirt is probably not gonna be the one that I do distress, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what I saw in my head. So I'd either cut off the shirt or the shoulders, or crop the shoulders, do something to them so I don't have shoulders on the shirt, and then add it in with the skirt and a pair of platform Converse. I think it's so cute, and it's right up my alley. Very 90s, very grunge. I like it. The only thing I don't like is the top. It's not what I expected it to be, but I feel like I can pair it with some stuff in my closet. So 2 pieces are always fun to get because you never know what you can pair it with. This came in a 2X. I don't know if I said that already. I feel like my hair gets messier and messier, but this is the next piece. It is a 2-piece, of course. I did put a ponytail holder back here because it is a little big. I am going to have to do some alteration to this part to kind of like bring it in. Maybe a safety pin, I'm not sure, because I'm not going to wear a bra with this. I just have it on for the video purposes. So, sorry. Same concept, long skirt, high split, comes with a 2-piece top, and this is the back. It's a very heavyweight material. I'm very surprised at the quality of these clothes. I do feel like Shein has stepped up their quality game, so I like this a lot. I feel like it's going to be really sexy, really flowy, really comfortable out on the strip. I'm not going to burn up. This is in a size 3. All right, so you guys don't know this, but I know this. It's been about an hour since I was even in here because I had to go cook for my family, because people will starve if I'm not here to feed them. So let's get back into the outfits. So this one is probably my favorite so far because it's so me. It is the typical Shein fabric that you would normally get. I don't know what to call it, but it's a dress. It is a 1-piece item, not a 2-piece. So let me step back and let you guys see. I got this in a 3X. Definitely could have got it in a 2X, but it's okay. It's not too big. So it comes down low in the back. It has this really nice lace, like right here, and it ties up here. It has a nice lace accent here, and it has like ruffles. I love this. I think it'll be another good, cool piece to be walking down the strip on. I love it so much. Definitely everything I was expecting and more. Yeah, I love it so much. Literally my favorite. Look at how pretty that is. I'm gonna be fine. I think I found my first stud. I wanted to love this so bad, because on the pictures it was absolutely adorable, but I'm not really feeling it. The print is very pretty, but let me step back and let you guys judge for yourselves. There's Peach. So this is just like a dress. I could have went down a size. I got this in a 2X. I definitely could have got it in a 1X. It comes with the tie part. I don't really like it. It's not giving what I want to give. I just don't foresee me wearing this out there. It's very grandma-esque. I don't know. You guys, let me step back and let you see and make sure I'm not stepping on peach. What do you think? Is it a yes or is this a no? Just drop it in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. I'm not feeling it. We're gonna move on to the next one. So I actually forgot I got this one, and I'm very glad that I did because I actually like it more than the one that's kind of like it. But anyways, this one does have the adjustable straps on the back. To me, that's so important because Shein, they make the top areas. I think they just make it for top heavy women. I'm not necessarily sure, but let me step back. This is just like the other one, but it's a different fabric. It does have the high split, but it just fits better. I feel so much more comfortable in this. I like it so much more. I don't think I'm gonna keep the other one because I have this one and I really like this one. And also I can mix and match tops. Like, hang on, I'll show you. So going back to the first two-piece I had, I compare that with this. Like, it's giving me everything. And I have one more two-piece I am gonna try on, but I'm so glad I got this little black two-piece. I really like it. It's perfect. I love it so much. And that was also in a 3X. So I'm gonna do my last two-piece. I really hope that I like it because it's my favorite of the two pieces. All right, so here is the last two-piece. I really want to like this. It's just something about it just isn't meshing right with my soul. So you guys know I love a good yellow moment. So it came with this top. The top is adjustable. It's a tie top. I just think I need to figure out a good way to tie it because tying it in the front, it's not going to happen. And there's not enough string on it to tie it in the back because that would be ideal if I could do that. So yeah, I don't necessarily like it. It also came with another top. I don't know if they did this on accident. I'm not sure. But it says fit for you. But let me step back. Peach attacks this outfit. So let me. Okay. So once again, of course, it's a high-waisted type of skirt with a top option. I really like this. I just don't like it on me, and I think that's the problem. Like this string on the skirt is so long. I wish they would have given me more string on the top as well because I could do more with securing it. So I don't know. I think I may have to work with it a bit. Maybe tie it in the back. I don't know. Definitely gonna have to work with it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I'm kind of sad because it was my favorite, or I wanted it to be my favorite. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I am gonna try on 3 lingerie pieces that I got, and I am gonna have some coverings on underneath, just for aesthetic purposes. But you'll get the general idea. But all right, we'll be right back. All right, so this is the first lingerie piece that I purchased. I'm so excited. I love this. It's giving very much SZA vibes, and love galore. If you guys don't know, I maybe put a little clip here, but the butterflies, But anyways, it has this really cool flower detailing here on the breast area, and it has like a velvet pattern on the body. It's a baby doll style. I do have on underwear. I think it's very sexy, or not underwear, these are shorts. I do think this is very sexy. I think that for what I'm trying to give, it will be given. What do you guys think? It does have adjustable straps on the back, which is always a plus. So I think without a bra, without the shorts, it would be a very, very becoming, very flattering, very sensual, very sexy. So if I had pasties, I would have worn those. But anyways, but yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about lingerie items. All right, so we're here with the next lingerie piece. This is another baby doll style cami nightgown thing. It has a beautiful lace bra area and a tie right here, and it came with this. Now, I don't know about you girls, you guys, this ain't gonna do nothing for me. Nothing at all. Like, this right here is not wide enough for what I got going on down here. So anyways, I love the fit. It's very flattering for my body type, and it's gonna give what it's supposed to give us in this beautiful seafoam green. I also have a robe that I think will match that. Hang on. Now, this is just a silk robe that I got from Walmart. I feel like it, will add a little bit of coverage to what I have going on. But yeah, I like it very, very, very much. Not bad. I was kind of skeptical about Shein's like lingerie type items, but I'm not disappointed just yet. Got one more and we will be done. All right, last but certainly not least, I think that this is probably my favorite item in this haul. It is a two-piece, and you guys already know how I'm feeling about the two-piece vibes. Let's start with this front. You have the, I think it's called a cage style type of bra area that fits very well. Like, I'm so surprised. Like, I really feel like it's going to be very supportive without the bra under. And it also has the adjustable straps. So take a look at this. Wow. How cute is this? It even has a little opening in the back. So yeah, I am loving this. I feel like this is gonna be like, we here in Vegas, let's do it. Like, really, I love it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please leave some comments in the comment section down below. Let me know which outfits you like. Let me know which outfits you don't like. Maybe we have the same opinion. I don't know. And if you guys would like me to do a bigger lingerie haul, let me know that too, because I was fairly surprised with the lingerie from Shein. I don't feel like you can really go wrong with lingerie, but you kind of can. And for me being plus size, I feel like it's so important that they capture certain things, and they definitely captured certain things with this, and they looked like the pictures. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to get out of here. If you haven't and you would like to, take a moment to subscribe to my channel, become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. Also, if you haven't, go on over to Facebook and join my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things. So sorry about being away for so long, you guys. Sometimes I just have to take a break. Sometimes I have to take a breather and get back to what's really important. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. If you're interested in videos like this, let me know. I'd love to do them. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Be good to each other, but most importantly, be good to yourself. I'll see you later. Bye.